Today, the Constitution of India refers to the tribal and ethnic group as scheduled tribe. So, at present, the Indian Constitution has categorized tribal and ethnic group as a scheduled tribe. They are recognized as historically disadvantaged groups who were also known as the depressed class by the British. So, the scheduled tribe people, they are recognized as the people who belong during the you can say our ancestral time, and they did not recognize as a advantageous group, so they were known as depressed class by the British. The founding father of our constitution understood the importance of these Adivasis group to Indian society. So the founding father of our constitution, he understood the whole group understood the importance of Adivasi group to the Indian society. Thus they took measures such as reservation in jobs and educational institutions, scholarship, etc. to protect the rights of these groups and integrate them into the modern Indian history. So thus, with the help of these founding father of our constitution, they took many measures such as reservation system in the job, educational institution and scholarship, so that they can protect the rights of these people and they can get you can say equality in our Indian society. Next is sources to study the history of the period. Literary sources. So what are the different types of literary sources through which we come to know about the Ahom period? Accounts of medieval traveler and chronicles are insufficient to give any clear picture about the lifestyle of the tribal people. Abul Fazl's Akbarnama throws some lights on the Gonds under Queen Durgavati of Ghar Katanga. So in the Akbarnama, which is written by Abul Fazl, he had written about the Gonds people or Gond empire during the Queen Durgavati of Ghar Katanga. Besides numerous historical chronicles or Buranjis, originally composed in Assam, served as important source of information regarding the medieval Ahom rulers. So beside the Abu Fazl Akbarnama, there are many chronicles, or they were known as Buranjis. In these Buranjis, many different types of Assamese you can say documents were composed, which shows or which help us to understand the various information regarding the medieval Ahom rulers. Okay, so these two are the important, you can say, literary sources of the you can say of the Ahom period and the Gond period.